Good morning, everybody. It is January 5th, 2023, and this is this morning's plan of attack. And it's still tricky, and I'll explain why it's tricky. Let me pull up my other chart over here. Now, basically, why is it tricky? Because we're still stuck in a box. The market loves a box right now. It's being such a square, if you will. I'm going to go ahead and stretch this back over for the box we've been messing with. Okay. So where's the box? The box is right here. And let me find my little pin right here. This is the box. And, well, this is resistance until proven otherwise, and this is support until proven otherwise. See, we've been in this for what, almost 2 weeks, maybe 3 weeks? I'll really have to count it, but nonetheless, it's been in there for a while. It does look like it's kind of forming this bear flag formation. And the reason bear flag is because we came off resistance, we made a swing lower, we're consolidating, and if once we get a candle like this, that is going to cause the next leg lower. But that's bigger picture, and on the flip side of that, it could also go like this. Like there's nothing to say it can't just do this. Like that could obviously happen as well. But that's not going to happen until this gets out of the way. So from a day trading perspective and today's perspective, as far as a 0 days to expiration day trade, we have to respect resistance, respect the overall trend, and respect our entries. So that being said, pull up my quick hits chart. Today, once again, I'm only comfortable going short. And the reason being is, like I said, we have this big old resistance level right here in this grayed out area. That was on the day chart, right? So this gray area is the same as this gray area. If a thinker swim would be so kind as to opening it for me. Apparently we're not going to open. There we go. Is this same gray area right here. So kind of like the way I like to do these 0 days to expiration trades, I have to forecast, kind of expect how I expect or anticipate how I expect today's candle to be. Really, because it's below all moving averages and the trend is lower, I'm kind of thinking it's going to look like this, right? Maybe just a big wick right here, a big down candle, or maybe even just another doji. But I don't like that. That's how I'm expecting his overall trend. But if we get above this up here, all right, cool. Then I'll consider going long. But until then, I'm respecting the overall trend and looking to go short. So that being said, like I said, let me go back to here. So what's the plan? I did a lot of over forecasting what I'm looking for to happen. What's the plan for today? So first, I want to bring in this big. I want to maximize my 30-minute candle, and then I want to point out something to y'all. And this is one reason why I am looking to get short. Whenever the market rallies, it gets hit down hard. So we got right here, smack down to support. Rally back up to the gray area, smack down to support. Rally back up to the gray area and the 30-minute 21 EMA. I'm sorry, the daily 20 EMA, smack down to support. Rallied up to the daily 20 EMA, smack down. Didn't quite make it to support. You can also acknowledge that it's kind of making higher lows. That's certainly there, but there's still resistance. And it's resistance until proven otherwise. And then for the reason I showed this is because I just want to show bigger picture and how this level is just continuously getting smacked. And I don't know about y'all, but I don't want to be smacked by the market. It hurts worse than most people smacking you. All right, so today's plan. After I really beat that horse dead, I'm looking to get short. Now, where do I want to get short? And if you're new to watching this, I like to either go long here and write it up to here, or I'll go short here and write it down to here, or vice versa. Oh, here comes the down move already as we're talking. It's going to move without us. How dare you? Go here and or from here to up here, back and forth, right? Those are the 3 entry points. And now that I'm talking about it, I really don't know if there's any economic news today, and that's not cool. So I should probably look that up real fast. All right, we have ADP non-farm payroll. coming out at 8:15. Actually, that may have happened just right now, so that's why the market's moving. Okay. It's on. I'm in Central Time, and this is in Eastern Time, so that just happened right now. So that's why the market's moving. Okay, cool. So we're going to see what happens based off that news. All right, since that's happening right now, and there is nothing else today. How about Friday? Yep, Friday can move some stuff. Okay, so today, the news has already got out of the way, and how do I want to play it? Well, now the move's already happening, so we're getting larger term sell signals down here against resistance. And so all I'm really looking to do is honestly, I want it to flush lower. And then at that point, this 30-minute squeeze will start to be going lower. And I would look for the rally, hopefully into like VWAP or even the hourly 50-minute EMA. Or sorry, the hourly 50 EMA area right here. Get some solid sell signals saying, hey, Cody, take the short. And then Skadoosh was ride this bad boy down. To the short side. That's kind of what I'm looking at doing. I don't want to go long. The other short mentality or setup, since I'm only focusing on short, so this is basically the break and retest setup I'll be watching for. Right, we're getting the flush, maybe we'll get a small rally, sell signals, take it down. All right, so that's scenario one. The other scenario I'm okay with looking at doing is, say this holds, we rally up here into resistance. See at 38.90, 38.93, so it's about right here. That'll be close enough to 1 AT or 3 ATR on the hourly time frame. If we rally up here and we start to get dots and then arrow, all right, cool. Then I'll take this right back down to the mean. And the reason for that is because it is rallying in a downtrend, larger time frame. Downtrend's going down. Shorter time frame, we're rallying into resistance, and I want to take those signals to the short side back for the reversion. That's it. I don't want to play the upside. If it does break out to the upside, I'm okay with not taking a day trade today because, I did a poll yesterday in the options room for those of you that were not part of it. And the number one thing everyone is wanting is, I'm just spilling it all out, is consistency. Everyone's wanting consistency. If you want consistency, I think the best way to have it is to have a plan and be okay with your plan not coming or your plan playing out and not swinging your bat or taking the pitch, or you know what I mean? Like if your pitch wasn't thrown to you, don't swing the bat. Or what's another one of my favorite is, it's okay to be a surfer and not touch all the water, right? A surfer has never been mad that didn't have a chance to touch all the water, that type of thing. I heard that from John Carter. I'm like, oh, that's a very good point. So the point is, if your pitch doesn't come, don't take it. The high probability trade for me in this case is either taking the break, boom, boom, down, or taking the rally, sell signals, and then taking it back down from there. But if it just rallies hardcore and we close, like today's candle closes all the way up here, we'll say at 39.20, cool. Tomorrow I'll go long. But today is not that day. But that's all I have for y'all. Hope y'all have an awesome day. If you're in the options room in the Small Account Mastery, I'll see y'all at the open to take these trades live. And if not, you know where to find me. I'm in the options room now Tuesday through Friday, sometimes in the morning, sometimes at 10:30. Kind of bounces back and forth lately. But nonetheless, these are the trades I'm taking. But everyone have an awesome day, and I will catch y'all tomorrow. Take care, everybody.